The big day has finally arrived for some Samsung users. Owners of the Galaxy S24 series, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and the Galaxy Z Flip 6 are starting to receive the stable One UI 8 update. This is Samsung's Android 16-based upgrade, and while the rollout is just beginning, it shows that the company is moving fast to bring its latest software to millions of users. Samsung has already released the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and the Galaxy S25 FE with One UI 8 pre-installed. That was the first sign that the company was serious about its software rollout goals this year. Now, older devices are starting to join the party, and the S24 lineup and 2024 foldables are at the front of the line. But before you rush to check your phone for the update, there's an important detail. Right now, the rollout is only happening in South Korea. Samsung is starting at home, as it usually does, before expanding to more markets. At the moment, the update is confirmed for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, but only for those who were part of Samsung's public beta testing program. Because of that, the update size is small, around 600 megabytes. Don't worry though, for everyone else, the stable release will be a much larger package, about 4 gigabytes, packed with new features, performance improvements, subtle UI changes, and important security updates. The Galaxy S24 series is also in line, and all three models S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra are receiving a full One UI 8 package in Korea right now. This bigger update is also around 4 gigabytes in size. For users outside Korea, this same update will roll out soon, covering both the S24 series and the foldables. If we look at Samsung's recent track record, there's good reason to be optimistic. The company moved very quickly with the S25 family, rolling out updates not just in South Korea, but across Asia, Europe, and even the United States in a matter of days. If that same pace continues, the Galaxy S24 series, Z Fold 6, and Z Flip 6 could all get the global rollout by the end of this week. That means you should keep an eye on your phone around September 25th. Of course, the exact timing will depend on your country, your carrier, and whether Samsung runs into any unexpected bugs. But if things go smoothly, S24 and foldable users worldwide should be able to leave One UI 7 and Android 15 behind very soon. And it's not just the flagships that are getting love. Reports suggest that the mid-range Galaxy A56 5G and Galaxy A36 5G could also get One UI 8 as early as September 25th, at least in South Korea to start with. That's a surprisingly quick turnaround for mid-range devices, showing that Samsung is treating its wider user base seriously this time. After that, the rollout could expand even further. The Galaxy S23 family, last year's foldables, the Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5, and more mid-range models like the Galaxy A55, A35, A26, A17, and A17 5G are rumored to get their updates starting October 2nd. That's just around the corner. Though it's always better not to look too far ahead until things are official. So where does this put Samsung in this software update race? Honestly, at the top. If we set aside Google and Apple, which are in their own category, no Android manufacturer is even close. While companies like Sony and Motorola are only beginning to release Android 16 on a few select devices, Samsung is preparing to deliver its heavily customized version of the software to millions of users across multiple regions and device categories. It's a bold move and one that seems aimed at repairing the company's reputation after the rocky rollout of One UI 7. That update had delays, bugs, and plenty of unhappy customers. With One UI 8, Samsung seems determined to prove that it can handle large-scale updates quickly and smoothly. If all goes according to plan, Samsung will once again prove that it's the true heavyweight in Android updates. Millions of Galaxy users across the globe may soon be enjoying Android 16 with One UI 8, and this time, it looks like Samsung is ready to deliver without the hiccups of the past.